You know, to unleash your inner greatness, it's not just as easy as 1, 2, 3. You're going to have a habit every single day. Every single day, you're going to have to work your plan. Every single day, you're going to have to know what your mission statement is. You have to invest in yourself by acquiring all the knowledge that will get you closer to whatever your goal is. You have the power within you, no matter what background you have, no matter where you come from. Do not let anyone hold back your destiny when it is your responsibility to achieve your life purpose. Each of us have our own life purpose and our own destiny. So therefore, we are not in competition with another person. Do not ever feel envious of another person while they're living their life purpose. You too have your own life purpose to live. But you gotta make a tough decision every single day. Are you going to sacrifice that extra 2-3 hours that you need to invest in yourself in order for you to make a difference in your life? Whatever you do, you gotta do something different every day that's gonna change the pattern that you have in the past. No matter who you are, how tall you are, how short you are, you could achieve your life purpose. You are special because when you were born, your mother gave light. And that light in you, that's your destiny to make it shine. Do not let pressure break your spirit, but allow pressure to create the diamond within you so you can shine the light that is within you, which is the light of the Creator. Do not allow any vampire spirit in your life to deter your destiny. You are going to have many fake friends, those friends that watching you from a distance who's hoping for you to fail. Before the year ends, make sure you identify those people you are going to leave behind, because you cannot move forward to work on your journey keeping those friends that's holding you back. You're gonna have to make tough decision that needs to be made in order for you to achieve the next level of yourself. You are in competition only with yourself. Whatever you do that day, the next day, you gotta do something one little bit extra in order for you to accomplish those goals little by little, in order to achieve those big goals. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. You have been hurt in the past, I understand. Try to forgive yourself and forgive that person. It doesn't mean that you're going to forget, but that forgiveness is going to be for you, because you do not want any unforgiveness spirit to work in your life, try to deter you while you try to work towards your life purpose. It's your responsibility to work every day without feeling the heaviness of those type of spirits. You gotta learn how to remove those evil vampire spirit out of your life, because your future self is extremely important in order for you to achieve your goal. You have to be serious about your daily goal and try to work to live your life purposes, because you are responsible for your destiny. I believe in you. Let's do it.